It is Monday, March 31st, the final trading day of quarter one. And we're diving headfirst into Q2 with volatility knocking at the door. Friday was a textbook dump, clean move through last week's range and right through the double bottom at 5,650. The real question now is, do buyers defend March low or do sellers drag us into August territory? The end of the month flows and Q2 positioning can create all the noise we need. Let's get this party started. On the 10-day volume profile, we see Globex is building more volume below last period's value area. Next support zone lies between 5,561 and 5,551. The market is clearly exploring these low prices. On the weekly chart, we see that Globex opened up with a 12-point gap down to 5,590, right below Friday's low. We are now pressing into critical support zones. Keep your eyes on 5,561 for signs of continuation or reversals. We see massive selling that accelerated below 5,712. Globex shows early buyer absorption at 5,590. If New York respects this level, we could see a relief bounce, but confirmation is key as always. On the New York TPO, Friday printed a triple distribution with balance below the opening range. A session open above 5,612 could be the first sign that bulls are gearing up for a counterattack. And on the 1 hour chart, we see that strike prices are widening up again with today's low at 5,625. Bulls need to reclaim these levels for any sustained upside, otherwise bears will remain in control. So my line in the sand today will be at 5,617. This marks the top of the single prints and our battlefield for control. Bulls will target 5,633, 5,651 and 5,670. Bears can open their positions at 5,612, targeting 5,661, 5,642 and 5,627. So as said, it is Monday, it is the end of the month. Expect repositioning, fake outs, rapid flows. Stay patient, let the market show its hand. As always, hit the like, subscribe and notification bell. And if you're not subscribed to the daily newsletter or the Sentinel Playbook, what are you doing? Links are all in the description. Let's crush quarter two.